Freud, often considered the father of psychoanalysis, presents dreams as a window into our unconscious desires, fears, and obsessions. He argues that every dream, whether it's about flying, being chased, or losing teeth, has a hidden symbolic meaning that reflects our innermost thoughts and feelings. Among the key concepts in dream psychology are the notions of dream distortions, wish fulfillment, and dream symbolism. Freud insists that our dreams are often distorted versions of our wishes. He suggests that these distortions are a defense mechanism, allowing us to experience our repressed wishes in a more acceptable or less threatening form. Freud also talks about the concept of wish fulfillment in dreams. He proposes that our dreams serve to fulfill our unexpressed desires. So, that dream where you're soaring through the sky, it could be a manifestation of your desire for freedom or independence. And let's not forget about dream symbolism. Freud believed that certain objects or scenarios